Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 255S music, and I'm gonna show you how to set an image as a watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now I recommend to download and install the Connect IQ Store application on your phone. This makes things a lot easier to do, basically. So if you want to set an image as a watch face, you need to download and install this application. You can do it both on the Android and iPhone. You just need to open the App Store, tap on search, and type in Connect IQ Store, and it should be on the list of apps. And once you install the application, open it, and in the application you will need to tap on if you see pop-ups about the permissions, you need to allow them, and also you will need to tap on continue and next, and after a couple of steps you will see the IQ Store, basically the main page of the app. Once you see the main page, tap on face it, and here tap on get started. Once you see this page, tap on the plus button, and we have options photos, camera, or preset backgrounds. Photos allows you to take or select the picture from your photos folder, basically from your phone. Camera allows you to take a picture and set it as a watch face. And preset backgrounds, I believe that's basically something that app has. You can use the presets, basically. Okay, I'm gonna select the photos option. I'm gonna tap on albums. Here I'm gonna select, for example, downloads, and I have two pictures. Let's say I want to use this one. Tap on the picture. Here we have different layouts we can use. So select the layout you like, for example, this one. And we have a preview of our watch face. We can then adjust it a little. We can tap on time, change the color of the time. We can change the minutes color, of course. Outline color. Hour font. Minute font. And the layout. So we can change the layout of the timer. Once you're done, you can tap on edit, done rather. Then we can tap on background. Here you can select the picture again. So we're gonna skip this. Layout is where the watch is, but we can also add complications. So we can basically add widgets, and we have day of the week. We can edit it. We can change the text color and the layout. Then we can tap on seconds, so we can also change the seconds, steps, but you can also add your own. So for example, we can tap on add. Let's say we want to see the battery. We can also position it. We can change the positions, as you can see. And if you want to change the color, you can also edit it. Battery is here, so let's say I want the battery to be this color. And once you're done editing your watch face, you can tap on save, name it, tap on save, and here we have our watch face. And if you want to install it, tap on install. And once it's done installing, you will see the watch face applied on your watch. Okay, and then we can close the app, and that's how you download, or maybe not download, maybe that's how you set an image as a watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.